Ever wondered how to pad your wallet from the comfort of your home? Here are 9 killer ways to make money online in 2024. First up, we have freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or web developer, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are goldmines for showcasing your skills. Next, consider creating an online course. Got a skill others want to learn? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Affiliate marketing is another hot ticket. Promote products you love on your blog or social media and earn a commission for every sale through your link. Don't overlook the power of an ebook. Have a story to tell or expertise to share? Write it down, publish it on Amazon Kindle, and watch the royalties roll in. If you're artsy, selling digital art and printables on Etsy can turn your passion into profit. From digital portraits to planners, the sky's the limit. Dropshipping is a buzzword for a reason. Set up an online store, sell products without stocking them, and let your supplier handle the shipping. Podcasting can also be lucrative if you have a captivating voice and great content. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, or exclusive memberships. Next, consider app development. With some coding skills, you can create an app and either sell it or offer in-app purchases. Lastly, YouTube. Create engaging content, grow your audience, and earn through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. With dedication and creativity, these strategies can turn the internet into your most rewarding workplace. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your online empire today.